हाय दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका अपने इस यूट्यूब चैनल पर वन एंड ओनली फार्मेसी। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम इस वीडियो में कवर करने जा रहे हैं डी फार्मेसी सेकेंड ईयर सब्जेक्ट फार्माकोलॉजी का चैप्टर एपिलेप्सी एंड एंटी एपिलेप्टिक ड्रग्स। सो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखना। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं इसके डेफिनेशन से। Definition of epilepsy. Epilepsy is the Greek word used for seizures or for convulsions. It is chronic neuronal disorder in which brief episodes of seizures get appear with or without loss of consciousness. Seizures are paroxysmal, means a recurrent occurrence in nature. In epilepsy, there is a sudden increase in neuronal discharge of impulses. Generally, we say that epilepsy means sudden increase in neuronal discharge of impulses. Next, types of epilepsy. There are two main types. First one, generalized epilepsy, and second one, partial epilepsy. In generalized epilepsy, what is generalized epilepsy? In this type of epilepsy, all the areas of CNS get affected, that is, seizures get spread over the brain. It can be divided following subtypes. There are 5 subtypes. First one, grand mal epilepsy. Second one, minor epilepsy. Third one, petit mal epilepsy. Fourth, myoclonic. And fifth, infantile epilepsy. First one, grand mal epilepsy. It is major epilepsy. In this type, there is sudden loss of consciousness consisting of clonic jerks, that is, involuntary movement of muscles. The seizures remain for several minutes. It is the major epilepsy. B. Minor epilepsy. It consists of sudden loss of consciousness without convulsions. It is minor. Third, petit mal epilepsy. It consists of disturbances in consciousness with the activities like blinking of the eyelids. Fourth one, myoclonic. It consists of clonic jerking without loss of consciousness. Fifth, infantile epilepsy. It occurs in infants. This epilepsy generally occurs in infants. It consists of a head dropping with clonic jerks. Second main type is partial epilepsy. In this epilepsy, seizures get spread over the some areas of the brain, not the all areas. It is divided into two subtypes. First one, simple epilepsy, and second, complex epilepsy. Simple epilepsy. It is also known as Jacksonian epilepsy. Means another name of simple epilepsy is Jacksonian epilepsy. It consists of convulsions of a group of muscles without loss of consciousness. It takes place at any stage of life. B. Complex epilepsy. In this type, confused behavior and involuntary purposeless repetitive abnormal activity of the person is observed. In this type, confused behavior and involuntary purposeless repetitive abnormal activity of the person is observed. It is very difficult to control this type of epilepsy. These are all the types of epilepsy. Next, treatment of epilepsy means anti-epileptic drugs. The drugs used in the treatment of epilepsy are known as anti-epileptic drugs. Example of anti-epileptic drugs is phenytoin, ethosuximide, fenfluramide, diazepam, chlorpromazine, etc. Ideal properties of anti-epileptic drugs. Which properties should required to drug is anti-epileptic drugs? First one, be non-toxic and non-addicting. Non-addicting. Possess minimum side effects. Be quick acting with long duration of action. Should have direct action on epileptic area. Be effective in all types of epilepsy. Be orally effective. Be orally effective and cheap. Means these drugs are does not toxic. Minimum side effects. Quick acting with long duration. Should direct action on epileptic area. और ड्रग्स ऑल एपिलेप्सी पे वर्क होना चाहिए. Be orally effective and cheap. These are the ideal properties of anti-epileptic drugs. Next point, classification of anti-epileptic drugs. The first one, there are main 5 types. First one, the drugs used in the treatment of grand mal epilepsy. Means ऐसे ड्रग कि जो ग्रैंड mal epilepsy में यूज़ किए जाते हैं. फर्स्ट, फेनिटोइन, मेथोइन, कार्बामेजेपाइन, phenobarbital, etc. These are the drugs used in the treatment of grand mal epilepsy. Second main types, the drugs used in the treatment of petit mal epilepsy. मीन्स ऐसे ड्रग्स की जो petit mal epilepsy में यूज़ किए जाते हैं. uh, these are ethosuximide, fensuximide, etc. Third one, drugs used in psychomotor and temporal lobe epilepsy. Example, phenytoin. Fourth one, drug used in focal cortical epilepsy. Example, phenytoin, methylene, etc. Fifth, drug used in the treatment of status epilepticus. Example, diazepam, paraldehyde. What is status epileptic? Status epilepticus means SE. It is life-threatening neurologic emergency condition. It is life-threatening neurologic emergency condition in which the brain is in a state of persistent seizures and requiring prompt treatment. It consists of severe prolonged seizures or repeated grand mal seizures without recovery of consciousness between two attacks. In this epilepsy, seizures remain for more than 15 minutes, which may sometimes lead to death. Means status epileptic is it is life-threatening neurologic emergency condition in which the brain is state of persistent seizures and requiring prompt treatment. This is the status epileptics. Next, causes of status epileptics. First, stroke. Second, hemorrhage. Third, intoxicants or adverse reaction of drugs. These are the causes of status epileptics. Treatment of status epileptics. First, hospitalization is required for such a patients for proper treatment. सबसे पहले हमको पेशेंट को हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन करना चाहिए. सेकेंड, एडिक्वेट वेंटिलेशन रिक्वायर्स, उसको एडिक्वेट वेंटिलेशन एरिया में रखना चाहिए. थर्ड, यूजेस ऑफ ड्रग्स लाइक डाइजेपाम. फोर्थ, मेंटेन कार्डियक आउटपुट एंड ब्लड प्रेशर. Fifth, long-term anti-epileptic therapy should not be given to such a patient. Thank you guys for watching all video. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Keep supporting one and only pharmacy YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching full videos.